Hey, and welcome back. It's Niels from GMC Mini Truck. This episode is going to be an unboxing. There it is. I'll just put you down here. That should work, I guess. Right, brand new shipment from Rock Auto. Just came in this afternoon. I ordered it, I think, last Saturday. Today is Monday, so expedited. Normal shipping via FedEx. No idea how they do it, but they did it. So I already got the tape, sorry. But for reference, I just have my knife here. And I just pretend I cut the tape. So what's in it? Shipping notification, or what do you call it? Shipping note, packing list. Of course a sticker. This time it's from a Yotota. I'm not really into Yotota, so no idea what it is. It looks like a Jeep, but then a Japanese copy. No idea. Slap. Then we have two boxes. And that's actually a motor mount. So two. And we've got a transmission mount. So let's start with the transmission mount. It's a energy suspension polyurethane block, and that is actually part number 31108G. It's a transmission mount for GM. Sounds rather generic to me, but it should be the right one. Of course, my current one is completely deteriorated and nasty, so it's not really mounting the transmission anymore. It's more like there. And then we've got these babies, and those are engine mounts. Actually, I've never seen them or actually held them in my hand. I know they are there, but also not in the best condition. And basically what this is just two pieces of metal with some rubber in between. Nothing really fancy, but I think the engine will sit a little bit quieter or more controlled in the engine compartment with these installed. So that's something that's coming up in a future video. They are the same, so that's about it, guys. Thanks for sticking around. Yeah, you know what else is in the box? American Air. More smells like, I don't know. I would not have bought this on eBay for some freak auction, like bags of a moon rock or whatever. These are then bags of American Air. Don't spend your money on that. It's not good. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, give a comment, and then I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.